Okay, welcome back. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning to you. I believe some of you, maybe this is your afternoon or your evening. You are welcome back to my channel, and this is our first, update. Today's date is 4th February 2026, and we are here to update you because USB government, they are not actually sleeping, and they're in Washington now and doing the needful. So I don't know if they're still there though. I don't want to say what I'm not sure of, but I can tell you that this update is from DPM X handle. This is the Foreign Affairs Minister, Honorable Adeze. Okay, she's there, and that is what we are going to talk about in this particular video. You know what? This is something that I've been looking for, just to not to shame anybody. Oh, USB are not in Washington. Oh, show me who USB are meeting. The one they want you to see, do that's what you see. The one they want to share with you, that's what they're going to share with you. You cannot just force things just because you think you have access or maybe you can. No, everything must not go through you. In life, you need to learn how to adapt. People that love to keep their privacy, you can't force them to start telling you everything about them so that you not tag them one name to another. Nobody owes you anything, only explanation. That is why I always tell you, especially this are fallback republic, fallback get together, because they're not even a government. So calling you a republic is actually giving you, elevating your name as if you deserve it. You don't deserve it. So you need to understand that USB government are not good in telling you, okay, oh, we are here. Oh, we meet A. Oh, we are going to meet Mr. B. They're not good at that. When I tell you that they don't know how to blow the trumpet, that is not an insult, but that is just a fact. Somebody who knows what he's doing don't need to run propaganda of show you flashable things for you to start clapping for them. I know some people will be like, oh, they paid this guy. You know, you are talking about your USB, oh, your madam said, your madam did not say, like they normally say. That doesn't bother me. What bothers me, what I try to want is to make sure that the result is where it is. There's something that happened yesterday that I will share with you, maybe in another video. Very, very important, because this argument about, oh, because some of them will stage you at lying some things, just numbering things that Ngozi is not doing that. Ngozi USB. I thank God that many of us already know this. USB-G, USB is different from USB-G. We buried that argument yesterday. And shout out to Barrister. Barrister, I appreciate you. I thank you so much for your time and your love. The truth must be told. We have to embrace it. We have to share our own history. You have to be real. Please, I want to encourage you to like this video and subscribe to the channel in case if you are new. All right, very, very important that you do so. Let's go straight to the program. All right, let's go straight to the program. Now, this is the update from DPM about the presence of Foreign Affairs Minister or Foreign Affairs Secretary in Washington, D.C. And that is not to, it's not, listen, I am actually sharing this thing with us or presenting it to you this morning, not to brag, not to, to shame you. All of you that used to argue, should be this, I'm not here for that. I just want to keep our people informed what USB government, what they're doing, and it is in public domain. This is not a secret thing. If you are following DPM, I believe you have seen this. And our brother Drake shared it as well. Okay, I can tell you this is something that we all know that is going on, but some people don't want to accept the fact. Do not expect to see video having handshake Nobody wants to live his or her life like Ogekere do, having handshake from every corner or in Washington, or dragging any congressman to Ogekere. No, not at all. That thing that they want to do, keep on doing that. Time will tell. Breaking 2nd February 2026. The United States of Biafra USB Foreign Affairs Director Honorable Adeze attended the International Religious Freedom Summit in Washington, D.C. and joins the call for religious freedom worldwide. At the conference, Honorable Adeze met again with Sisi Hill, Senior Counsel and International. I hope I pronounced the person's name, but you know the person I'm talking about. Sisi Hill, Senior Counsel and International Legal Director, and updated her on the reasonableness of USB government to enhance religious freedom. She briefed her on the steps being taken by the new nation to stop the restriction, killing, repression, and threatening of the Biafran Christians people by the Nigerian state. Recall that Nigeria is currently designated as a country of particular concern and has been declared as the most dangerous country in the world for Christians to live. Nigerian state currently integrated and rehabilitates known terrorists into its security, military, and police, creating a very dangerous place for indigenous Nigerians, of course, indigenous Nigerians and Biafrans. Honorable Adeze is scheduled to attend other international conference centered on the rights of Christian Biafra citizens in the next couple of months. Look at the picture here, as we have already shown to you on the, in the pictures, that we display here. So this is Adeze with the Sisi. Okay, look at her, and this is the picture again, and this is the Adeze. Adeze Nembifendeze. Adeze Nagijendeze. Shout out to you. Look at. Now, this picture is not the same with that of Ogekere. Yes, this is not the same with that of what Ogekere do. We are yet to see Ogekere holding. In fact, let me bring it. We are yet to see Ogekere holding mic. Please, if you have done that, if I've seen that, please let me know. I have not seen that. If you have seen Ogekere holding mic or making speech in any conference, look at this picture, holding mic, meaning that she was actually, talking to the people in the conference. She had her moment. Can Ogekere do that? No. Elias will be in the other corner of the room, recording video and not video, pictures, taking shots of Ogekere, targeting, choosing random pictures, that they can use and propagate the agenda and all that. That's all. Tomorrow they will start dragging, who made it possible for so things to be achieved and all that. Nobody's dragging anything with you. Just like I said in my video day before yesterday, that we all know how these people normally rush to drag everything to their side just to prove that they are relevant. Because when you don't have anything to do, you centered your attention and your agenda just to make people believe that you're actually doing something. But in practical terms, no, you are not doing anything. That is exactly what I'm trying to say. Kudos to USB government, kudos to the cabinet members, kudos to Dr. Adeze and her cabinet, because if you're not contented with what the USB government are showing you, that does not mean they're not doing anything. One of the things that you need to know, one of the things I want you to know about the USB government is that if you are trying to know everything they do, they hate it. Let me just explain to you. USB government don't like it when everything about them is a public domain. They don't like it. It is one of the things, one of the matran is to is like privacy. Why? Because they have seen how people sabotage anything when you made it known or public to them. They invested their energy and time to protect information within the government. That does not mean that from time to time few will not be leaked out. Remember, in the garden of every 12, there must be a Judas. You think the US government don't have saboteurs in the government? They do have it. Every organization do have it. But the thing is that let them not be more than people that actually, mean good for the organization or for the government. When you have one or two saboteurs in your midst and others are actually busy doing very, very well, the damage from the saboteur may not be, well noticeable. But when you have multiple people that are busy polluting minds, causing chaos, planning and plotting negativity, damaging everything, then you don't have issue in the government. So the government are not actually bragging that they don't have few saboteurs in them. They do. They have. How do I know? Why is such a brag that she know everything, she feel everything? If they post anything in group or in the cabinet, before you know it, you get to her. And you that is doing that kind of job, okay, just be careful. I'm not threatening you. I'm actually advising you and my advice is coming out of love. Learn how to behave yourself, because you must not be a sabo. If you are not doing the sabotage job, will you die? The answer is no. So why can't you just respect yourself and appreciate good things? Please, I'm gonna end it here because this is our first reaction today, and I want you to tell me what you think about the journey and the effort of the USB government, and what do you have to say about the effort of Foreign Affairs Secretary or Foreign Affairs Director. And Fallback Republic, this is for you. Remember, I'm not saying this. I'm not here to tell you that she met congressmen, because that would be another question. This is not a congress people. You that are hugging and meeting maybe the man. I don't know about this man. Maybe you can never tell. I don't even know the job of the CC. Okay, so she may be one of those, but you know what I mean. As long as you are meeting, you are getting yourself involved in things that matter like this. That is what very, very. In fact, it's exciting to see. It's good to see. It's good to hear that this is what happened, and long may it continue. God bless you. Please make sure you like the video and kindly put it in the comment section. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you are new. See you again. God bless you. Bye bye for now. Take care. Good morning.